Hello, viewers. I remain your humble mathematician, Godwin Honor, otherwise known as GOMS, Godwin Honor Mathematics Solution. Okay, let's consider the next episode, and that is episode 24. Episode 24. So, what does the question say? So, the question says evaluate, open bracket and close, 3 root 3 minus a what? Root 6, open bracket and close, root 6 plus a 3 root 3. The question says evaluate, open bracket and close, 3 root 3 minus root 6, open bracket and close. So root 6 plus what? 3 root 3. And this is a what? Sort. This is sort, product of a sort. Here we are asked to what? Evaluate, and the evaluation here is a what? Sort. Is sort, to evaluate sort, the product of a sort, because it's written in twos. Okay, so how do you resolve this kind of problem? How do you resolve this kind of problem? So very easy. So the first thing that you do is to consider one of the word bracket as a common factor. You write it in twos. Write it twice, giving space. Then you can easily multiply with the terms. So what I mean is this, I might decide to use this as my common factor. So let me write it, analysis and solution. So I will first of all say this is 3. Okay, I'll get space. So I'm using the first bracket as my common word pattern. I've written it into twice. So all I need to do now is to this the terms in my second bracket. This is a root 6. I will put it here. A root 6. Then this is plus 3 root 3. Okay. Now this is how to arrange it for easy word expansion. For easy word expansion. But there's one thing about sort. When you are multiplying sort, you multiply root, root versus root. Then a value versus a value. Like this one now, this is a root 6. I will multiply it with a root what? 3. Why this 3 is assumed that 1 is here on same 1. So 1 times 3, then root what? 6 times root 3. That is how we do it. Okay? So which implies, so root 6 times what? 3 root 3 will give you us 3, which is this 3. Then root, okay, this 6 times what? 3 minus, which is this one. So root 6 times root 6, it will give me, this is 6 times 6. So I'm multiplying root, then plus, we move to this side, so plus. So this is 3 root 3 times 3 root 3. So that will give us, 3 times 3 here will give us, that is 9. Then root what? 3 times 3, okay? And then that is, let me just put it, will give us 9 without wasting time. Then root 3, 3 root 3 times minus root 6 will give us minus 3. Then this, okay, that is 3 times 6. Okay. Okay, so it means that like the first one will, so let me write it, that is 3 times 3. Okay, so it will be uniform. Here you have, which implies this is 3 root. Here is 3 times 6 times 3 will give us 18 minus this is root what? 6 times 6 will give us root 36. Then plus this is 9. Then root, okay, 3 times 3 will give us 9. Okay, minus this is 3. Okay, root 3 times 6 will give us 18. okay, which implies this is what 3. Then if you look, if you look at the root 18, we should consider two factors of 18 such that one of the two factors, one should be a perfect square and the other one should be a prime factor. And that should be 9 times 2. So here we have 9 times 2 minus, okay, the square root of this is 6, okay, then plus, okay, here also is 9 times the square root of 9 is 3, okay, then minus, here is our 3, and also this is 9 because 9 and 2, which is 9 times 2, okay, so take note of here. Yes, so what we have just done here is a 3. This is a root 18, which is a 9 times 2, because we have to consider two factors, such that out of the two factors, one must be a perfect square, meaning that the perfect square must, a perfect square is a value that have a square root. So 9 has square root, and 2 is a prime number. Okay, here we say minus the square root of 36 is 6 plus this is 9. The square root of 9 is 3, which is 9 times 3 minus this is 3, the square root. So we look for two factors, 9 and 2, that could give us 18. And you know that 9 is 9 is a perfect square. Okay, so that it does it. If you have getting it up to this point, so let us clean and continue from here. Okay. Okay. So that is to say, from here, we can now see that, which implies this is 3 times what? 3 the square root, which is a 3 root what? 2. Okay, come here, this is minus 6, and then plus, okay, 9 times 3 will give us 27. Then minus, okay, this one is the same thing, 3 times what? 3, then root 2. Okay, so what I've just done here is the square root of 9 is 3. Okay, so you have a root 2 minus this is 6, then plus 9 times 3 will give us a plus 27, then minus, okay, which is this minus 3, then the square root of 9 is 3. So that is just it. Okay, I just it. Then the next thing that we do is to here you have 3 times 3 will give us 9 root 2 minus 6 plus 27 will give us what? Will give minus, will give us plus 21. Mark you, this is a minus 6 plus 27. Is the same as saying 27 minus 6, which will give you what? 21. That's what I've just done here. Okay? Okay. Then here you have a minus 9, 3 times 3, root 2. So if you look at this is a plus a 9 root 2, there is a minus 9 root 2. So here cancel itself. It means that our answer will be what? 21. So the answer will be 21. So that is the answer to this question, 21. Answer. Okay? That is the answer to this question. So let's quickly take let's quickly take some exercise, if we wouldn't mind. Let's take some exercise. Let's take some exercise. So that is the answer. Okay, so let's quickly take some exercise. Exercise. Let's quickly take some exercise. Okay, exercise.